By providing reliable information and insurance against unauthorized access for intricate cunning agreements on any blockchain, the Chainlink network has become well known. The company has been able to establish credibility and popularity in the market for decentralized financial apps, thanks to the decentralized structure it provides. How does Chainlink function and what it is? That is what we're going to address in today's video, along with a future assessment of its price. So, make sure to stick to the end of the video. You're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we'll never ask you for your number or personal information, and we'll certainly not contact you on WhatsApp. So please be aware of the scams and spam comments in the comment section. The founders of the project are Steve Ellis and Sergey Nazarov. The team developed a product called Chainlink that enables clever contracts to connect to the information stream of any web programming interface or information source. The rules of the game in the blockchain industry have been altered as a result of this idea. Chainlink is a blockchain platform designed to protect users from unauthorized access as they exchange information and deal with intricate, brilliant agreements. The Chainlink configuration offers advanced information assurance both within and outside of the blockchain. There are special hubs on the Chainlink blockchain called profits. The clever agreements must function correctly for the organization to function, and the information sent of them must be reliable. A decentralized profit network verifies the information from several sources before sending it to an intelligent contract. This achieves improved accuracy of information data, which can occasionally be challenging to examine uniformly. Additionally, this does away with information control. The Chainlink Profit acts as a trustworthy intermediary between the clients of information providers and themselves. A survey of verified information should be the first step in the Chainlink value projection and inquiry. Chainlink has firmly anchored at the top of the rankings for digital currencies. The group was able to finesse the task's progress because of the significant sum of the money obtained during its initial coin offering. Connection, the task's local digital currency, functioned flawlessly in previous years, rising from $0.30 to $19.85. Chainlink helps clean up the internet by filtering out false or inaccurate material. For certain businesses, information discontinuity is a serious problem, since it makes it difficult to acquire data and leaves results uncertain. By re-examining how monetary agreements operate, Chainlink is revolutionizing the financial landscape as its decentralized profit network advances into fourth modern upheaval. Expected Chainlink value in 2023. The connection might approach $50 once again as a result of FOMO and publicity in the positive scenario, providing it receives widespread acceptance and the retail enthusiasm in cryptocurrencies that was witnessed in 2021 reappears in 2023. In contrast to several image currencies, Connection can support a price increase in its innovation and utility. The Chainlink connection, will it rise? The potential for further expansion of Chainlink is enormous given the progress the company has made and the widespread acceptance the cryptocurrency coin has attained. Chainlink should start to fill up from now on, but we should keep in mind that the resource right now is strong regions for fending off threats. Is it possible for Chainlink to ever hit $100? Connect would need to receive a crucial premium from institutional financial backers once again to hit $100. It's possible because Chainlink offers a ton of significant use cases in decentralized finance. By then, Connection's market capitalization would already be below $15 million. How far can Connection advance? It's not always easy to respond to questions about the possible level at which Connection's cost might increase because so many different factors can affect coin prices. In any event, there's one aspect of digital currencies that must be calculated: their rate of development. Many agree that the cryptocurrency market is still in its infancy. If so, it must follow that conventional coin advancements will likely achieve more acceptance and more innovative implementations. Costs will rise as well, and society will finally see that digital forms of payment are futures present. A Chainlink estimated value prolonged standpoint. According to estimates, the next Bitcoin split will take place in the middle of 2024 and might spark another bull run in cryptocurrencies. In contrast to several cryptocurrency initiatives, Chainlink has a sizable customer base and a devoted fan audience, and is not thought of as a dead or abandoned coin. The growth of Chainlink's on and off information and biological systems, as well as the increasing levels of designer acceptance, are discussed in this mid-2022 video from a cryptocurrency broker on YouTube. Chainlink is listed on significant cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance and eToro, so it will be present when the exchange volume reaches new record highs and the entry value is revealed. He had temporary cost focuses in the $27 to $32 range. But given that the Land Luna crisis led to an auction in many DeFi projects, they may now have evolved into long-term cost focuses. Even though it would take 10 years, Timothy Peterson of Stick Island Elective Guides said that Chainlink's market cap will reach $1 trillion by 2030. He originally made this prediction in 2021. This makes it an interesting choice for the investors. What do you think of today's video? Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.